Animation effects in Windows 11 create smooth transitions and polished visuals, but they can also make your PC feel slower, especially on older hardware. Turning them off can give you a performance boost, while keeping them on makes for a more modern look. Here are 3 ways to manage them. First, you can manage the animation effects from Settings. To do this, open Settings. On the left, click Accessibility, then on the right, click Visual Effects. Toggle animation effects on or off depending on your preference, then close Settings. You can also do it from the Control panel. So, open the Control panel, then click Ease of Access Center. Select either Use the computer without a display, make the computer easier to see, or make it easier to focus on tasks. Check the box for Turn off all unnecessary animations, when possible, to disable, or uncheck it to enable. Click OK, then close Control panel. Alternatively, you can change some performance options. To do it, just open Performance Options by running System Properties Performance.exe. Go to the Visual Effects tab. From here, you can check or uncheck items like Animate controls and elements inside windows, Animate windows when minimizing and maximizing, and Animations in the taskbar. Click OK to save your changes. When animation effects are enabled, Windows feels sleek with smooth transitions like minimizing and maximizing windows. But if you turn them off, your PC may feel noticeably faster and more responsive, perfect for older laptops, low-powered systems, or anyone who prefers raw performance over visuals. And that's it. Now you can manage animation effects in Windows 11 and set them up in a way that best suits your needs.